Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable ambient sound using your headphones LG Tone Free Fit. So let's get started with open the application, and right here we have, as you can see, right here, second line, we have ambient sound control. So right here we have ambient sound, you can just click here. Or you can use a gesture. So firstly, let's put it to my ears. The touches area is located right here, and it's the same for the left one. So now I put it and I can just click on it. I enable it. Or I can press and hold on the left one or right one earbud. So press and hold. Now I swap to noise cancelling and I should press and hold again. And I swap to ambient sound. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!